I think it's going to be a very powerful tool for the future of the medicine. I'm Dr. Simon Yu, internal medicine practice in St. Louis, United States. And I've known Petros Katus about 1 year for now. I went to Cyprus last year, and I was fascinated with his new concept of looking at brain neuromodulation. A little bit skeptical in the beginning, but I know there's a potential, I can sense it. And I went back again 6 months later in Vienna, and I brought him to St. Louis for training for physicians in the United States. And I'm here talking about how to synthesize what I do. I do acupuncture meridian assessment and how to complement and guiding brain neuromodulation. My sense of it is it's like a family. Petros have a way of bringing people together. You got certain natural dynamic energy and bring it together. And the whole idea of bringing together the whole concept of neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, but also willing to looking at from meridian system. So, no, I'm very open, and I'm trying to introduce the whole concept of the dental connection with the rest of the body and the rest of the brain. I highly recommend, whether you're a general practitioner or internist, neurologist, or even dentist, I think we need to know this is a new way of treating neurologic disorder. The chronic disease, that seems hopeless, but especially when you synthesize together brain neuromodulation, dentistry, and things I do with meridian, rebalancing the meridian system, I think it's going to be a very powerful tool for the future of the medicine.